What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris Chan. Today we're gonna be talking about the middle market. But first, before we do it, come on now. Just a little drum roll, please show some love. Like, comment, subscribe. I got it all day, baby. Come on, just give me a little love and we'll continue on. All right, did you do it? All right, thank you, thank you, thank you. Which one did you do? Did you like or comment or did you subscribe? Did you buy a shirt at carepreneur.co? Yeah. But let's get into it, guys. Number one, the middle market, believe it or not, is actually the biggest of all the markets. So if you think about your demographic, which is probably going to be the senior care population, those that might be like maybe 75 and up, and I know in our case, we kind of traditionally are like primarily 85 to 95 is our range. But that middle market, the people that you're serving, out of all of the seniors that we're serving, the middle market is the biggest. It is literally the biggest. Medicaid makes up 15 to 16% of the population. The upper end of the market makes up 10% of the population. You're left with the largest percentage of people who are going to be in need of your services, and that happens to be the middle market, middle America. There's more people on private pay or that could afford your services privately than there are on Medicaid. Believe it or not. I know it's crazy. Most people won't believe me, but it is true. Number two is convenience. The middle market, these consumers, the baby boomers, okay? Their children, and everyone that is gonna be in need of those services in that kind of generation, they look for convenience. Is it easy to get to you? Is it easy for them to utilize your services? Convenience is gonna be a high priority. We're living in a world today where Instacart and Uber and Amazon have literally made convenience is such a high priority for people that now we're just used to it. We need convenience. If we cannot provide convenience to families, then we're going to struggle. So figuring out ways to make your services convenient, whether you offer transportation or whether you're in a convenient area, whether the way you bill or the way that you provide services or charge for services, whatever can make it convenient for your families is going to help you win in the long run. And number three is they have high expectations. Dude, the middle market has high expectations, right? So they want the place to look a certain way. They want to be taken care of from a customer service standpoint a certain way. Dude, they're a little high maintenance, let's face it, okay? Those little things that just make your service special, you gotta provide that to this middle market. They want it, okay? So it is the biggest market. They love convenience and they're a little high maintenance. No offense, okay? It's just the way it is. So that being said, guys, just know I'm here with you. I'm rooting for you. Adult daycare is the future. It's gonna be a necessity, but it has so long to go. It has so much work that needs to be done to prove itself in the marketplace as a viable option that can compete with both home care and assisted living. So if you guys want to learn more, stay in touch. Join us on our monthly webinars. Go to adcpro.com to learn more, to check out our YouTube, to join us on our monthly webinars. We'll see you on the next one. Now let's get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.